Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are all fine. This is another video of blending sounds. N, a, g, nag. S, a, g, sag. G, a, s, gas. P, a, g, pig. T, a, g, tag. G, a, g, gag. G, a, g, gig. G, a, p, gap. D, a, g, dig. G, o, t, got. O, n, on. N, o, t, not. P, o, t, pot. T, o, p, top. D, o, g, dog. P, o, p, pop. G, o, d, god. M, o, g, mog. K, a, n, can. K, o, t, coat. These are some words which will help your child to increase their vocabulary and also learn the blending of sounds. I hope you like this video, and for more interesting videos, please like, subscribe and share this channel.